everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back this year 2020. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great time with the people you love. Enjoy my holidays. I have a great time and I hope you guys did too. Here we are ready to start this year, and for today's video and for the first time in my entire life, I'm gonna cut my hair. It's long, as you can see. It's very long and the end of it's like damaged, so I'm gonna cut it. I have a video I'm following from this girl. I don't remember the name, but I'm gonna put the link down below, so if you want to go ahead and also cut your hair, you can follow that girl because she seems like she knows what she's doing. So if you like to do it too, you can save yourself $20 because that's how much haircuts are here in the States. Normally in Ecuador, haircuts were like $5–10, and just for this amount of hair that I want to cut, I'm not paying $20 every 2 months. Oh. Life. It's okay. What's happening? It's okay, baby girl. What's happening? The name of the channel I'm following, the video, is Pickup Lines. She says that we're gonna need a spray bottle, a comb, a brush, and scissors, and we have all those things right here. And for the first step, we are gonna wet my hair. My lovely husband is gonna help me with that. I'm so nervous, as I told you.
Handsome assistant.
Yeah, my handsome assistant is gonna do that for me.
Where's a towel? We should put a towel underneath.
I haven't cut my hair since August. We were still living at mommy and papa's, and I cut my bangs, as you can see over here. So this part we are not touching, I think, because I didn't like the bangs. He didn't like the bangs either. He faked it when he first saw me. He was like,
it was weird.
Oh, great! But this cut is in layers, which is normally what I get. I'm gonna separate the third part of my hair. That's what she says, to separate the third part of your hair.
The top 2/3.
The top 2/3 part of my hair. The next step, she says, is to divide one of the parts. I have a mirror here, that's why I'm not looking at the camera. Here, right? And then we're gonna start. Can I have a comb?
You know, I think a better challenge, baby, would be.
This is not a challenge.
Let your husband cut your hair.
So now we're combing it, and we are going to cut the desired amount. Here we go, moment of the truth. Okay. Then we are gonna, cut into it like this to
add some like layer.
Yeah, to like blend it out. So just like that. This doesn't look too bad. Ooh, it looks nice actually. All right. Now, for the other part, I'm gonna grab a guide, right, from the hair we just cut, and we're gonna do the same thing. The guide. I don't know what I'm doing here, people, but you only live once. Well, as you can see, this part is a little bit smaller than the other part, but shorter. But it's in layers, but I wanted a more pronounced layer, but it's okay. We're just gonna leave it like that and see how the rest comes out. So now we're gonna do the other part. I need the spray bottle. Put it a little bit more, I don't know. Whoa! Here we go. There's like a little bit of like you see, an inclination here. So, I don't know, I think it worked. I'm not gonna cut a lot because, as I told you, this is my first time and I don't want to mess up. But I think it looks good. We are gonna make a straight line in the center of the hair. And then we're gonna, from here to here, we're gonna make another straight line and we're gonna flip it just like this, put it upon this side of the hair. We're gonna come back to it later. Now I'm gonna go back to the center of my hair, which is this part. Keeping in mind this is gonna be the shortest visible layer, we're gonna do the exact same thing by straightening it like this on the top. We are gonna do the same, a straight cut first, a straight cut first, and then like this to blend it out. So let's go. Alright, so now this is how it looks. As you can see, the top part, this front part is shorter and it goes like down. It doesn't look terrible, I think. Alright, so my camera died and I'm recording from my husband's phone, so I'm sorry about the change in the resolution, but yeah. As I was telling you, this is how this side looks. As you see, shorter at the front and then it goes like in a little like a stair. And now we don't need this part, but we need a guide for this other. So we're gonna need a little bit of a guide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some hair on this other side of my head. This part is my bangs, so I'm not too concerned about it. From here, you know, the next part of the hair. Now it seems like I'm cutting a lot of hair, but she said that don't worry. So here we go. We're just gonna have faith. You know, at the end, we're gonna see how it looks. I'm not gonna torture myself with that right now. But now we are gonna do the exact same thing here. And then after this, it's just the exact same thing. You leave a guide and then you cut another centimeter, and then you leave a gap of a guide and then you cut another centimeter. And that's how what we're gonna do the rest of this side. It can be perfect the first time and I don't hate it. I actually think it looks good. It looks healthier than what I had before, and I gave it layers, so I actually like it. Let's see how it looks once I style it. Now the challenge here is to do the same thing with the other side. So how does it look from this side?
I kind of like it.
I'm not in love with it, but I feel like I can improve. My advice is that if you don't have enough patience to do this, don't do it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please tell me what do you think about my hair. I would like to know how I did. And thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.